NECO past question. Plane shape and solid shape. Okay, a segment, right? No, the first part from beginning. Okay, calculate the area, right, of a what? Of the shaded portion. In what? In figure 2.1, right? And if you look at that figure very well, the figure is in this form, right? The figure is like this, right? This is how the figure looks like. So this place is labeled what? 84, right? 54. 54 degree. The radius is giving 8 centimeter, right? So this place is shaded, right? What else? The same thing now. So what is there ABC here? So let's give this place A. Let's give it this place B. Let's give it this place C. Is that right? If you look at this, this is a sector of a circle. A circle like this, right? This is the center. So as you can see, this is a sector of a circle. The angle is 54. The radius is 8 centimeter. If this place is 8, it has to be 8, right? So the shaded portion of this circle is what they call segment. Here is a segment. So they want you to find the area of the segment. Yes, area of the minor segment. The bigger part, the bigger segment is this place. This chord now separate the minor segment and the major segment. So the shaded portion is the minor, while this bigger part is the major segment. We can calculate both of them, but they ask you for only the segment, the minor segment. The cone inside, this cone is what they call sector. The cone, you can see the cone, right? This cone is a sector. Is what? A sector. But inside the cone, we can get a triangle. Can you see? This one now is a triangle. So to find the area of this place, that is what they are asking us. All we do, area of a sector minus the area of this triangle, give us the area of this place. True of us? The area of the bigger part, which is the whole sector. Remove the area of the smaller part, which is what? Triangle. We give us the area of this portion. That is what we want to do here. So we say area of segment, area of shaded portion. They are simply telling you find the area of a segment. Is that right? Area of segment. And it is equal to area of sector A, B, C, right? Or let's do it this way. BAC. Area of sector BAC minus area of triangle what? BAC. All right? Area of sector BAC minus area of triangle BAC. Is that right? Any problem? Area of sector, a sector is a portion of the circle. It's what? A small part of the circle. Can you see? So if you know the area of a circle, you can know the area of a sector. Area of a circle is pi r square. But area of a sector is a portion out of the whole circle. A circle has how many angles? Sum of angles in a circle is what? 360. So out of this 360 now, we are dealing with a small part of it, right? So area of sector is theta over 360, right? Multiplied by the area of the circle, which is a pi r square, minus area of this triangle. This triangle now, you can put something here, right? There's a formula that has to do with finding the area of a triangle like this. You don't know the height. This place is not known, right? Right? You can't use base area times height. So can you tell me the formula that you're going to use? So use 1 over 2 AB, right? Sine of the angle, sine theta, right? Sine of the angle given, right? So whether you write r square or you write AB, it's the same thing. In some textbook, you will see 1 over 2 r square. They are referring to this place and this place. Okay? So let's not bother ourselves whether we write AB, this place and this place, or we write r squared. Because they write square because the two of them are radius and they are the same value. Is that okay? So let's apply our formula now. Before we apply formula, is there any common thing we can bring out? No. Nothing we cannot bring theta out because this one is sine theta. It's attached to something. So you cannot factor out anything. So we have to do it. Do it. So theta is a 360, right? Sorry. That is 54 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 8 square, right? That is 64, right? 64 minus 1 over 2. 8 square again, right? That's 64 again. That means we can bring out something. That's 64 again, right? Then times sine what? Sine 54. Okay? So we have 64 twice. You can bring that one out. Right? Give me everything you have on this side. 4 times 22. 1188, right? Here should give you 2520. Am I right? Good. Minus. Give me sine 54 divided by 2. Sine 54 divided by 2. 0.4045, right? Confirm it and divide it by 2520. Become 64 times 0.669, right? Multiply by 64. 4.282834. What's the unit? Area, right? Centimeter square. Area of the segment. Area of the shaded portion. Is that okay? So if you don't understand this method, you can do this one separately and do this one separately. So whichever way you do it is okay. Do everything here separately. Do everything separately. So whatever you get here, remove it from whatever you get here. You will still get your answer. All right. So let us look at the second question that involves solid shape. This one is a plane shape now. It's about circle. So give me the B part. A tin of milk. That means they are talking about what? What type of shape they are talking about? A tin of milk. Eh? So they are talking about a cylinder. Let's draw the cylinder here. Talking about a cylinder. Let's say this is a cylinder. This is a tin of milk. So what are they saying about it? Has a radius what? 6.5 centimeter. And height 13 centimeter. Okay. Uh-huh. They say we should find the total surface area. Total surface area. Right? The first thing we'll do, what is the area of the curved surface? The area of the curved surface area of a cylinder. What is the area of volume? Sorry, what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is base pi r, base what? Base area times height. Volume. Then curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. That will be what? Base perimeter times what? Times height. This is the formula for volume of a cylinder. This is the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder. We are not told that whether the top is open or whether the top is and whether the two of them are open or closed. So we will assume that the two of them is closed. All right, and that's why they're even telling us total surface area. But assuming only one is open, we will use area of a circle only. We will use one area of a circle. Now, this is what I mean. If the top is open, we are going to say total surface area equals to curved surface what? Total surface area plus area of a circle plus what? Area of a circle. Area of a circle. Or area of a, yes, area of a circle. This is the total surface area if the top is open, right? But the bottom is closed. But if the two of them are closed, we'll say total surface area equals to curved surface area plus area of a circle for the down one plus area of a circle for the top circle. Is that okay? So since we are not told whether the top is open or not, we assume that the two of them are closed. So we do curved surface area first, 2 pi r, right? Curves of perimeter times what? Height. Base perimeter times height, right? Plus pi r square for the down plus pi r square for the top. So we now have 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, right? Now let us factor out to simplify. 2 is common, right? Pi is common and r is common, right? On this side we have only one r left. On this side we have what left? We have only h left on this side, right? Here we have only one r left. So this is the formula we are going to use for total surface area. So we have 2 times 22 over 7 times radius 6.5 times the height 13 plus radius 6.5. Now 44 times 6.5 divided by 7, 40 point what? 8571. It is what? Times. All right, bracket is there, right? Meaning it's going to be times. Is that right? 796 point what? 7143. Curved surface, total surface area. This should be the answer. Can we move to the next one? The next one says what? Okay, B1, B2. So this one is the B1. Let's now look at the B2. The volume of the liquid in liter that will fill this thing, right? Okay. The volume that will fill. They are simply asking you volume, to find the volume of this thing. But you convert from centimeter cube to liter, right? Because they say volume in liter. It's not so. Formula for volume is already here. Volume is equal to base area times what? Times height. Area is pi r squared, then times height. So we apply our formula 22 over 7. 22 over 7 times the radius, 13 square, right? You know so? Radius is 6.5. 6.5 times height, 13, right? Give us the value. 1726 0.2143 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the liquid in centimeter cube. But to convert to liter, you will divide by 1000, right? Because why? Because 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. So if you cross multiply, it will end up to dividing this amount by 1000. So we write here 1726.21, right? 21 in 0.2143 equals to X liter. You don't know, right? So by the time you cross multiply, you're going to have 1726.2143 divided by 1000. That will give you 1.72662, right? Liter this time around, not centimeter cube again. So we've come to the end of this video. If you have benefited from this video on plane shape and solid shape, NECO past question 2025 number 8 question AB, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button for subsequent videos. Peace.